Hello, Mr. Akers. Here is our latest attempt to explain ourselves. We'll follow this up with quick versions showing the rationale for consumers, fabricators, and retailers, and how the licensee will profit from this invention. Wouldn't it be nice to add an undermount sink to any laminate countertop easily and inexpensively? Start with any laminate countertop. Unlike other systems, this one works very well and very quickly with laid up and post-formed tops. The first jig establishes where the sink goes in the countertop. The fore and aft location is automatic. The router jigs are also screwed down. The center support jig keeps the center slug from ruining any of the other parts of the system. With the same setup, we're making two passes with the router, one to make the finished hole for the sink and one to perfect the edge of the laminate for encapsulation. These simple and precise fixtures ensure that we'll get a good part every time. They're also inexpensive to manufacture. Now the countertop is installed on the mold dam, and everything is clamped down very tightly. The encapsulating resin is mixed by volume for parts A and B with the pigment added to either part. In production, the chemicals will be pre-packed for each countertop. We use gravity casting done at room temperature with an exothermic reaction curing the resin to the demolding point in about 3.5 hours. Even unskilled workers can quickly be trained to use this tooling. Beautiful. Perfect part every time. Finally, the routing fixtures are put on the back side of the countertop to trim the base and mounting area for the sink. With the final machining pass, the integrated location of the sink and countertop is set completely and precisely. The last step is gluing and stapling the locating blocks with their machine screws for positioning and holding the sink. This will be faster and stronger than anything else on the market. Here is the countertop ready to install with an encapsulated edge and fixed mounting points to locate and retain the sink. Elapsed time was about. The encapsulating colors are infinitely variable to complement any laminate. The entire process is the most durable, fastest, and easiest available. We hope this is finally clear and that you are as excited as we are. We'll bring all this to Bellingham, or if you fly to Hillsboro, Oregon, there's a 30-minute ride to our shop.